Hello students, I welcome you to the official YouTube channel of SRN International School. I am faculty of economics at SRN International School. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important topic from microeconomics, perfect competition market of class 11th NCERT. Let's begin with today's topic. Before we start with perfect competition, let's see the meaning of market. Market is basically not a particular place or a location. In fact, it is something we called as a system or an arrangement where buyer and seller can meet. So it refers to an institutional relationship between purchaser and seller. Market is an arrangement that makes a linkage between buyer and seller. A market may be of different types. The market differs from one another due to difference in the number of buyers, number of sellers, number of products, influence over price, availability of information, condition of supply, etc. Let's see the different types of market. The first is perfect competition market, second is monopoly market, then we have a monopolistic competition market, and the last one is oligopoly. So our topic for today is perfect competition market. Perfect competition market is a market where there are large number of sellers selling homogeneous goods to a large number of buyers. All the buyers and sellers have a perfect knowledge about market conditions. Let's see the features. There is a presence of large number of buyers and sellers. Homogeneous product is sold. Freedom of entry and exit. We have perfect call knowledge, perfectly elastic demand curve, perfect mobility of factor of production, no government interference. Firm is a price taker. Let's see them in detail. First, there are large number of buyers and sellers. Under perfect competition, there are large number of sellers and the share of each individual seller is too small in the total market output. As a result, a single seller cannot influence the market price so that a firm under perfect competition market is a price taker, not a price maker. Similarly, there are large number of buyers and an individual buyer buy only a small portion of the total output available. The second feature is homogeneous goods. Under perfect competition market, all firm sells homogeneous products are identical in quantity, shape, size, color, packaging, etc. So the products are perfect substitute of each other. Third is price is uniform. As the product of different seller in the market are homogeneous, the price is determined by the forces of demand and supply in the market and it is accepted by all the sellers. Because of that, firms under perfect competition market is called as price taker, not the price maker. Then we have free entry and free exit. Any firm can enter or leave the industry whenever it wishes. The condition of free entry and free exit ensures that all the firms under perfect competition will earn normal profit in the long run. If the existing firms are earning supernormal profit, new firms would enter into the industry and will increase the total supply. This will reduce the market price and the supernormal profit is wiped out. On the other hand, if the existing firms incur the losses, the firm would leave the industry, thus reducing the supply. As a result, the price will rise in the market and there will be a loss of output. Next, we come to the profit maximization. The goal of all the firms in perfect competition market is to maximize the profit. No government regulation, there is no government interference. Perfect mobility of factors. Resources can move freely from one firm to another without any restrictions. The labor are free to move. Then we have a perfect knowledge. Individual buyer and sellers have a perfect knowledge about the market and information is given free of cost. Each firm knows the price prevailing in the market and would not sell the commodity which is higher or lower than market price. Similarly, each buyer knows the prevailing market price. He is not allowed to pay a higher price or a lower price. Next, we have absence of transportation cost. There, the transportation cost is zero. The price of a product is not affected by the cost of transportation. We have a perfectly elastic demand curve reflected by AR curve facing Firm under perfect competition is perfectly elastic, meaning that firm can sell as much as it want at the ruling market price. I hope you all have understood today's topic, that is perfect competition market. If you have any query, please drop it in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you all. Stay safe, stay healthy.